Hi, grade 5. This week in the chapel, you heard the story of the late civil rights leader and U.S. Congressman John Lewis. As a child, John Lewis always practiced his deep religious convictions, even with his much-loved chickens. Based on the childhood story of faith and intelligence comes to life in a dramatic light-filled watercolors. Click on the story, listen to the story, watch the story, and watch Miss Barr's recording and listen, think, and reflect. Do write a solid paragraph in Google Doc. And here are the questions that you'd be writing in your paragraph. What did you learn from listening to the story of preaching to the chicken? B. What did you learn from Miss Barr's chapel talk about U.S. Congressman John Lewis? And C. What can you do to make a difference in the life of someone else around you? Boys and girls, I look forward to listening or reading your reflections. Thank you.